Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can make Google the start page or home page of your DuckDuckGo web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the DuckDuckGo web browser and next navigate to your browser settings. To do that, click into the three lines in the top right, choose settings from the bottom of that drop down menu. Here guys, what you want to do on the left hand side is navigate to the general settings. And here you may select a start page for the startup and also for the home page. The home page is the one you get redirected to whenever you click into the home button. And the startup page is the first page you see whenever you launch the DuckDuckGo web browser on your device for the first time of the day. So guys, you can use, for example, use, let's say google.com for that. Navigate to google.com, copy the URL, navigate back to your browser settings. And here guys, under homepage, switch from new tab page to specific page, and then click into set page here and paste the URL address here, click into OK. And that's basically it. Click into OK to confirm that and you will see the home page here. So whenever you click into the home button, you will be redirected to google.com. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.